Let's also have a look at the competition to know even better where our USPs are. First of all is the LED technology that we have chosen for. So we decided to use the HOB or hot melt onboard technology. A lot of our competitions are using SMD or surface mounted device. What is the difference between both of them? First of all is about the fragility. So as you can see on this image, the LEDs on the SMD are actually naked on the board. They have only 4 small dots that keeps the LED on place. And if you compare with HOB, we have actually embedded the LEDs by hot melt. So that means the result is super robust. The LEDs are very good fixed on the PCBA. What does it mean for you as an installation partner or an end user? First of all, during the installation, we can 100% ensure that you will finalize an installation from the first time, because damaging those HOB LED panels is almost impossible. If you compare it with SMD, those are super fragile, so you can be 100% sure you will damage during the installation a lot of LED panels, and if there are not enough spare parts in the package, it will be impossible to finalize the installation from the first time. So that means you have to come back to the customer in a second time with repaired stuff. So a lot of cost involved and an unhappy customer. How about operation? Of course, it's a display, so people will always be attracted to touch it, to feel it. With SMD technology, you can peel off LED with your finger very easily, so it's super, super fragile. As with HOB, no worries, people can touch it, can feel it, no problem. There's almost no chance on damaging. If we look at reflection, it's more or less the same result. SMD is slightly better, but HOB is super close on that. And then if we look at, for example, cleaning personnel, if they want to clean it with wet stuff, with some water, with SMD, big chance on damaging the product. As I mentioned, the LEDs are actually naked on the board. And in our case with HOB, it's splash resistance, so no worry about cleaning. If we talk about spare parts, we even include 8% of spare parts. Even you don't need them, they're in a package, can be used, but most of the time they will not be needed. Then we have another important technology out there looking at competition, and that's GOB, glue on board. What's the difference between HOB and GOB? First of all, the way that the LEDs are embedded. With GOB, they're fully embedded by glue. So there's even glue on top of the LEDs. And with HOB, it's only partly. So that means that the top part of the LEDs is still naked to achieve the best image resolution or result. If you look at fragility, there's actually no difference. Both of them are super robust, so very good. If we look at the heat dissipation, there is a difference. Because the GOB is fully embedded, that means that the heat dissipation will be very difficult, and that will have a negative impact on the lifespan of the LEDs and also on the brightness loss on longer term. With HOB, we will have a up to 50% better performance by extending the lifetime and also minimizing the brightness loss on longer term. If you look at flatness, also there, slightly different. The GOB product is more inconsistent than the HOB. So the HOB is much flatter than a GOB product. But then the most important difference, I think, in our market or in our use case is the reflection. Because in every room, there is a lot of light, internal light, external light, that you cannot always manage, and that can cause a lot of reflection. And with the GOB, you get a lot of reflection because, as I mentioned, the LEDs are fully embedded in the glue, and the glue is causing reflection. If you look at the HOB solution, the top part of the LEDs is naked, so that means very limited reflection of light.